doing donuts and shit. Let's see how this shit go. This is where he doing donuts, y'all. This nigga ain't doing no fucking donuts. Yo, that nigga funny as hell, boy.
Alright, gang. So, you already see what we cooking up over here. I think I misplaced the instructions, bro, because I don't even know how I'm gonna make this bitch change colors, bro. It didn't even come. It didn't even come with a remote, so I know I'm gonna have to download the app on my phone.
Yeah, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that.
As you can see, we just got connectors. There's no remote control. I gotta get my fog lights, and yeah, I gotta lower this bitch. Put the wide body on it. Change the hood. And I got my lights too, so.
Nigga, what?
Y'all boys stay tuned for those. Alright, gang.
Nigga.
Yeah, and that just set it off. We need the fog lights now. Damn.
1 day later.
What's good, gang? Rise and grind. It's another early morning, and it's about to be a late night, bro. You see the whip, we got it out here. We're about to make some more changes to the car.
I hope so.
I'm about to get my entire rise done. I just ordered sway bar links for the rear. We are going to be putting my stars in too, so I got 1,000 stars coming. That bitch is hard.
What do you mean by that?
This bitch is hard. All it needs is a hood and a window tint. And an AC busting too. Motivation right there, gang. Yeah, gang. You see us out here though. So now when you wanna come get a cut, these are 2 whips to be looking for outside the shop. You see it, gang. We out here. We got the mold parts out there. It is hot as hell today, bro. This North Carolina weather is OD. Yeah. Damn, the heated seats are on. That's crazy. But yeah, we in the 300. Congratulations, gang.
Appreciate you, brother.
My nigga.
This little swap.
This bitch get up. Bitch is smooth.
Stop the cap. Boy, if you don't get
Shit. I love that blue.
Alright. I'm gonna ride this bitch at night. Tonight, I'm gonna go to Popeyes so I can see how I look in the door.
Thanks. I'm gonna wait right here, gang.
Now you see now, you done fucked up, you know that, don't you? Man, you done fucked up now, you know that, don't you?
Alright, y'all, so she just left me in the whip, so no. Make sure that she in there. Yeah. Bro, why does she have a Chevrolet logo? Oh shit, this shit move without the key. Oh, she about to be tight. I'm about to spin her shit right quick. Good, man.
Good to go.
Oh shit. How you get in this bitch?
Oh, we can sell this. My shit.
Oh yeah, you do got the key.
Really, nigga?
It feels so good to be back in the whip with AC. Bro, they charged me $420
Nigga, what?
to fix my AC. Then I just got 2 new tires in the front. And I just ordered my inner tire rods. And then I just brought 1,000 stars for the whip. So y'all just make sure that y'all stay tuned, bro. As you can see, I got the lights installed. Well, I installed them myself.
I don't give a fuck.
Comment down below if you fuck with the lights though. lot of stuff that these lights could do, but I'm not gonna get into showing y'all right now because I'm driving.
Stop the cap.
I'm not even about to do that while I'm driving.
2 seconds later.
But I am at the light, so I can show y'all. That's green. Another shade of green. Blue. Blue. Oh shit, the police is over there, bro, and I didn't even see them right over there in the cut. Yeah, definitely ready to get this fixed so I could do everything else that I want to do to it, man. I don't know if you heard the clunking noise when I turned, but the suspension's not all the way intact. So, see, look, there goes another police officer.
Yeah, yo, find us some shit to get on real quick.
Well, Rico in this bitch. Yeah.
Damn.